What's up, folks? We got the whole car packed up. We're on our way to Copper Harbor, Michigan, up in the Upper Peninsula. It's the very little thumb that goes out into Lake Superior. We had a gorgeous day for driving. Annika started our trip out behind the wheel. We went through Hayward, Wisconsin, Cable, Wisconsin, which has some awesome mountain bike trail systems as well. Another video for the future. Copper Harbor is a quaint little town situated right at the tip of the KEEWEENAW Peninsula, and it kind of feels like a little cabin town, almost like somewhere on the East Coast. There's about a population of 125 people, and that nearly obviously quadruples and triples over the weekends. It's got awesome vibes built around mountain biking, fishing, the ferry that leaves from there that goes all the way to Isle Royale State Park, which is an island out in Lake Superior. As we head through downtown, we pop out onto a dirt road, and this is where we off-road a little bit to get to our campsite. We got to our site in the evening, so as soon as we set up, made a fire and got dinner cooking. We got chicken sausage, we got hummus, we got rice, pilaf, got cucumbers, delicious. Onions, as the kids would say.
It's bussin'.
The beautiful thing about this campground is the trailhead. The mountain bike trail starts right here. It's a two-way kind of out and back called the Point Trail, and this takes you to the East Bluff Trail system, where some solid trails are, like Citrus Tech. There's, I think, a double black diamond, and there's a jump line. Gorgeous day. Hi, puppy.
Oh, sorry.
Hey. Hi, buddy.
Sit. Here.
All right. Little chunk. Climb up. Ah. I think the trail goes over there. I want to show this is the old rocket range, NASA rocket launch site back in the 80s. We're next to the water. To get out here, the road is pretty nuts. It's like off-roading. So you kind of wonder, how did they get all that equipment out here? Oh, maybe the road was better back in the day, or upkept, but still kind of crazy. Thank you. Just me. Thank you. Hey, hey, just me.
Thank you. I'm the last one.
This is a two-way trail, so you gotta watch out. There's definitely a lot of people out today. It's Trail Fest this weekend on Saturday and Sunday. Big XC, enduro, and trail running races, and then live music, food. City's packed. Oh, where we're camping is farther away from everything. We might go check it out on Saturday, but it's kind of nice just being out in nature. Still going. These trails are a lot more fun the other way, but still have some fun features. Got a little bit more left of like a gradual climb. Then I'm gonna get on a different trail here. Well, that's me, my turn. All right, from the Point Trail, gonna get on Highlands. I've never done this trail, so let's check her out. So far, this trail is punchy climb, but it's still not too bad. So we'll see. This is a black diamond. Still going. Kind of cool how these trails are built. Into the rock, the rough cut. It's like a sheer cliff to the left. I think we only go higher up on this. Starting to get some views of the lake. Hoping there's like a overlook. Oh, a tight turn. Another tight one. Yeah, bit of a cliff. It's got to be gorgeous up here in the fall. You can already start seeing the colors change a little bit. I'll go see if I can get a view of the lake. Here we go. We're up here. Looks like there's an overlook over here. At the top here, you can kind of see the lake. Also see a quick drop. Alright, heading back down Island. Oh, I am not in a gear. Still climbing gear. There we go. That's tight, tight. fun little downhill section. Actually a fun trail. Britt's saying that it's more cross country style. It's pretty fun. View of the lake. On Camp Manitou Road now. Gonna head back to the Point Trail. Taking this back. I think you can go both directions on the Highland Trail, but this will put me at a nice loop and get back to camp and hang out with Annika. Back on the Point Trail. Most everything we climbed, we'll get to go back down. Not really a landing for that side hit. Ooh, that bucked me. Made it back to the campground. I think this is where I leave you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.